Failure only happens when we give up. Success does not belong to smart people. Success belongs to those who always try. Learn to give thanks for the good things in your life. Learn to be strong from the bad things in your life. Happiness and sadness depend on how we react to it. When someone insults you, it's a compliment that they've spent so much time thinking about you, even when you weren't thinking about them. One of the keys to happiness is using your money for experiences, not for wants. You don't need someone who is perfect. Just find someone who always makes you happy and makes you mean more than anyone. My past is mine. Your past is yours. But the future is ours. True love looks at weakness and then turns it into an advantage to always love. In life, I have the mentality of a person who rides a bicycle. If I don't pedal, I will fall. If I stop working, I will die. Perfection does not come by itself. Perfection must be worked for. Achieving a bright future won't be easy. You have to be willing to sacrifice to get it. Love does not consist in gazing at each other, but looking outward, together in the same direction, to whatever is served in front of it. It is a reality. Without love, intelligence is dangerous, and without intelligence, love is insufficient. Live like you'll die tomorrow, and be happy like your life forever. If there is no shoulder to lean on, there is always a floor to prostrate. Friendship often ends in love, but love sometimes ends in friendship. I hope that the success of a man and a woman is determined by the positive synergy between men and women. Experience cannot be learned, but must be passed. To love is not to find someone who is perfect, but to see someone who is not perfect in a perfect way. Love is sincerity. There is no coercion or feeling of release. Everything has its time. Don't compare your life with other people's lives. There is no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when the time comes. If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. Behind a person's smile, there is something you will never understand. Every trip there will be a test that has two choices. Keep going and succeed, or stop and fail. The leader must prioritize loving and appreciative relationships, not for rewards but to serve fellow human beings over mere power status. Determined to be a useful person for the environment. Use what you have to help others. The facts of life have to be swallowed whole, but you can't let them out. Learn to be grateful from the good things in your life, and learn to be strong from the bad things in your life. Be a person who is always ready to face every challenge that comes your way. Don't say no, maybe, but say how. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Never stop chasing what you dream of, even if what you long for is not in front of your eyes. Sometimes the little things can be so special. Wherever you are, always be the best and give the best that we can give. The peak of missing someone is when you no longer see each other. You no longer greet each other, but in your heart you pray for one another. If we trust each other, an agreement onto things is enough. On the other hand, if we both don't trust each other, a written agreement, not even the thickness of a book, will help. Waiting isn't always right. You have to have the courage to make your dreams come true. Don't give up trying. There is no guarantee of success, but choosing not to try is a guarantee of failure. Love is a positive energy that can move life to be more beautiful. Loyalty means sincerity, to keep one heart in the heart, and promise not to betray. Even though the body has been separated by death, true love will still be stored eternally in the recesses of the heart. Love does not consist in gazing at each other, but looking outward, together in the same direction.